Industrial cleaning and green impact have not gone well together in the past. Green cleaners do not have the performance to solve industrial cleaning challenges. Therefore, traditional aggressive solvents are used, even though they are harmful and require special safety measures. But how can industrial cleaning become sustainable and, on top of that, keep the high performance level at the same time? Intelligent Fluids end this contradiction and offer a groundbreaking solution. Inside the fluid, there are 4 main ingredients: water, oil, surfactants, and smart activators. But if none of these components are able to dissolve an organic layer, how can the fluid remove it from the surface? Because intelligent fluids don't dissolve chemically, but detach physically. Let's have a look. The components are in constant and random movement, which causes collisions in molecular teamwork. In constant chaos, the ingredients are trying to connect, but then also repel each other. They almost unite, but then separate again, depending if the dominating component in the active phase is water or oil. This is what creates some kind of a micro-earthquake, generating up to 8,000 moves per second within the fluid. The constant dynamics creep water between the layer and the surface and undercut it. This way, adhesion breaks and layers can no longer stick to the underground. They are detached and lifted off. When water is added, intelligent fluids are deactivated, so they separate into the original smart ingredients. And this is how intelligent fluids accomplish to marry high performance with high impact in a win-win-win for planet, clients, and people. No excuse anymore for not making the planet greener.